Hey everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show you to make this animation with After Effects. Let's get started. So vectors from freepik.com. I will add the download link and project files. First step, let's select these all layers. Hold Ctrl and A, select all these layers and click this icon for 3D layer. Okay. And select this background. Let's press P and select this 0, hold shift and move to right for go to object back. Okay, and press S, change scale. Okay, and select this B1, build 1 and press P. Again select this 0 and move to back. Okay, let's move to like this and press S, change scale. Okay, select this build 2, press P, again select this 0, move to back. For create depth for these objects, press S, change scale. Let's press P, move to back again. Okay, then select this build 3, press P, again move to back and press S, change scale. And let's move to down. Okay, let's select this ground and change scale like this and move to back like this. Okay, let's press S, change scale and move to down. Change scale like this. Okay, and select this one cloth, press P, let's move to back and press S, change scale, move to right. Okay, select this layer to cloth, press P and move to back. Let's press S and change scale. Okay, and select this cloth 3, press P, move to back and press S, change scale. Let's move to up this. Okay, okay, select this cloth 1, cloth 2 and cloth 3. Select this arrow and move to up. Okay, then select this umbrella red, parent to this umbrella black and select this umbrella black, parent to this hand layer and select this hand layer, parent to this man and select this shadow, parent again man. Select this man, press P, again select this 0 and move to like this and move to here, move to down, press S, change scale. Okay, let's change like this. Okay, then select this shadow and let's select this arrow and move to back like this. Select this hand, move to back this main layer and select this umbrella black, back again and umbrella red. Okay, let's move to back. Okay, nice. So let's select this clothes again and move to up like this. Select this cloth, move to up and cloth 1. Okay, So let's create a new camera. Right mouse, new, and select this camera. I don't change these settings, only press it like this. Click OK. And select this camera, right mouse and camera. Let's create new orbit null. And hold Ctrl, click this icon for move the anchor point center. And let's press P, make new position keyframe, and go to 9 seconds. Press N for select work area, and let's make animation like this. Let's see. Okay, not bad. So let's select this 3 cloth, Ctrl D for duplicate, and press P. Move to back and press S, change scale. Move to down. Let's change scale again. Okay, nice. So let's create rain animation. Right mouse, new, solid, add name rain. Click OK. And go to effects presets, search effect rain. Select this CC rainfall, let's use for this solid, and click this checkbox. Okay, this is all rain, and change drops. Okay, nice. So let's go to project and let's create new composition, rain 2. Click OK, and click this icon. Go to pen tool. And let's drop like this. Okay. And change stroke color white and stroke width 5. Click pen tool and open options, contents 1, shape 1, and path. Select this path 1 and change like this. Okay, change name rain, drop. Go to add, select trim path, open this trim path 1 and change end 0. Make new end keyframe. Go to 5 keyframes and change 100. Select keyframes, make easy ease. Let's see. Okay, let's move to left for spatial animation. Okay, and in this time make start keyframe, go to here and change 100. Let's see. Select these keyframes, make easy. Let's see again. Nice. So let's select this raindrop, go to effects presets, search effect mirror, and let's use this mirror. Okay, select this and move to left like this. Let's see. Okay, nice. So go to here in last keyframe and press N, right mouse, select work area. Okay, let's close rain 2, go to project and select this rain 2, move to inside this rain composition. Okay, and move to here. Let's click this 3D icon and parent to this umbrella red. Select this umbrella red, press P and select these coordinates, Ctrl C. Select this rain, press P and Ctrl V. Okay, let's see. Nice, let's move to here. And press S, change scale. Let's see. Okay, let's select this rain, go to effects control, change these drops. Let's 800. Okay, this is not bad. Let's change 500. Okay. So select this rain 2 and move to here. Okay, and select this rain, Control D and move to right this composition. And move to right here. Let's see. Okay, not bad. Let's select this rain too, move to right. And change quality quarter. So select these rains, Control D for duplicate. Let's move to up and move to right. Okay, and again Control D, move to up, move to right, and select these all rains, Control D, move to up and move to right. Okay, not bad. Let's select this again rains, Control D and move to up and move to right. And again Control D, move to up and move to right. Okay. And go to 8 second, 9 second. Okay, and select these rains. We can make this rains composition again new composition. Select all these compositions, right mouse, pre-comp, and otherwise we can click this icon and this icon for hide all layers. So thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.